Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a tooltip component in Figma. Tooltips rely on auto layout, so the frame automatically adjusts to the text size. Start by creating the text body. Press T, click on the canvas, and type your content, like tooltip. Select the text and press Shift-A to wrap it in an auto layout frame. Add a background color, rounded corners, and a drop shadow for depth. Next, add the arrow. You can use the polygon tool to make a triangle or draw a small vector. Integrate it with the tooltip, either by placing it in a new auto layout frame with the text, aligning it as needed, or using absolute position to freely place it without breaking auto layout. Once your tooltip is ready, create a component by selecting the whole thing and pressing Create Component or Ctrl Alt K. Add variants for different directions: top, bottom, left, right, rotating and repositioning the arrow for each. Finally, make the tooltip interactive. In prototype mode, link your button to the tooltip. Set the trigger to while hovering and the action to open overlay. Choose relative to element so the tooltip appears right next to the button when hovered. And that's it. Using auto layout and variants, you can build tooltips in Figma that adapt automatically and respond to user interactions.